In today's video, let me show you how to use Airbnb identity verification. Now, if you're trying to use Airbnb for bookings or want to be a host inside of Airbnb, you need to first of all verify your identity. So in order to do that, you need to head over to the profile section, head over to account settings, and first of all head over to personal information. Now, before you can verify your identity, make sure that you add in all of the information that you need to add in inside of the personal info. Make sure that this information matches your legal information, so the information that is inside of the government verified IDs. Once you added in all of this information, you can scroll down, and then on the bottom you can see the option which says identity verification. You can simply tap on the start option and then tap on add an ID. You can select one of these options, whether it be driver's license, passport, or your ID card. You can select your issuing country or region and then tap on the continue option. While taking a picture, make sure that the picture is clear and well lit so that Airbnb can verify. Once you complete the first step, you'll also need to take a selfie using your phone's camera, which is going to be a real-time picture of yourself. Now, once you complete both of these steps, you'll need to wait, which is going to take under an hour, which is usually quick. Once the confirmation has been made, your verification will be complete inside of Airbnb. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.